Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're talking about everybody's favorite shot, the forehand turnover. Right here in this video, we're going to discuss how to get your rope to turn over. In the next video, we'll discuss the angles of the turnover, the head shot and the heel shot. So the key to getting your rope to turn over is going to be the angle of your swing. Everybody thinks you're doing something crazy with your hand. It's got nothing to do with that. All we're gonna do is we're gonna swing a forehand swing. We're gonna stick it way behind our head, okay? Like you want your shoulder to hurt a little bit if you're old, all right? So reach way back here, and then when we go to deliver, you wanna throw it straight up in the air. And that's gonna make it turn over, okay? Now there's a couple little things we can do to make it actually look pretty, and I'm gonna show you that real quick. Here we go. If I get it going this way, right, I got it behind me, so in the very last part of my delivery, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll my pinky finger and my ring finger out of my loop and around my spoke. I'll let go of it, like this, okay? And then my loop is gonna be sitting in these two fingers, and I'll show you that without swinging. So at the very end, it's going to look like this. And when I throw it, I'm gonna be dragging it from way behind me, and I'm almost gonna slow my delivery down a little bit, and I'm just gonna kinda flick it like this. And then as that loop leads, these three fingers are gonna be around my spoke. And I'm gonna let that leave until it gets to its destination, and then I'm gonna stop it. Same deal, we're gonna get our angle, fingers out, spoke slides, right? And then I'm gonna stop it as it gets there, if that makes sense. So the big key with the forehand turnover is your angle, okay? Some common mistakes. This. Don't do this. Like swing, 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 this. Don't do that. It's swing, 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 deliver. That's really probably the biggest mistake. I call it washing it out. So if you're swinging right, straight up and down behind your head, you throw straight up to where you want it to go. Don't do this. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.